Hey, what's up everybody? Your favorite chef is here. You're watching Clamsy Cook channel and today we are making 1 cup pancake. Stay tuned and let's go forward on making that goddamn recipe. Take one big bowl and then you're gonna add flour, 3/4 cup of flour or 180 grams, and then you're gonna add the same size of milk, and then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla aroma, and then you're gonna combine everything together. There is several ways to combine that. I know only two, and that's to take one big spoon and combine everything for half an hour. Or if you are a lazy bastard as I am, you're gonna use mixer and combine everything together because you are a lazy bastard and you don't want to make some effort to make your lovely recipe for yourself, your big fat ass. And now you're gonna take one handful of raspberries. If you have a big hand like I am, one is enough, or if you are a small boy, you're gonna need two. I'm sorry, boy, just shake your hand frequently, you know what I mean. Stir it again, you lazy bastard. Okay, I need to stop cursing. It's taking a lot. Be gentle with raspberries. They deserve respect. And also maybe eat with us some spy angry vegan. And now let's go on the next step. Next step is to heat the pan, very high heat, and then you're gonna spread coconut spray or olive oil, sunflower oil, which oil you have, but don't spread too much. We don't want to make them so big. Now take big spoon and then you're gonna grab our mixture and pour in pan. And one big tip is when you're pouring down, stay in place, don't go any further if you want to make perfect circle. We know that perfect circle doesn't exist, but you know what I mean. Repeat that until you waste all the mixture. You should probably get 4 to 6 pancakes. Serve it on a plate, your favorite plate, and decorate with Greek yogurt. That Greek yogurt will be best option. And that's all. Now you're gonna taste it. I taste it already and I know that's awesome. And I think that's all. Yeah, that's all guys for today's video. I hope guys that you enjoy and see you in another episode. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment in the comment section below if you have any question or any recommendation what should I make.